watching jack stands and cinder blocks.
Spot. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're swapping out the old rusty crusty factory body mounts with some from an OBS truck. You can see they're about an inch taller. We have 6 for the body and 2 for the engine bay here, totaling 8. The original idea that I came up with was standing in a hardware store is just to stack washers, and I came up with 3 washers make an inch, and I have 2 different size washers, these 3CF ones and the 6ZC ones. I don't know what that means, but they're about a 1/4 inch difference in diameter. My concern there is putting the weight of the body on just that small of a point. The body is just sheet metal, so it might try to wrap around that eventually. We'll lose our lift, and then damage the bottom of the cab as well. So the new idea is we're going to take a hole saw, take this nice polymer plastic cutting board, and we're going to cut it to that diameter, or approximately that diameter. So this will be our lift. We can still stack washers under that if we really want to, but I'm thinking this is looking like about goodness, what is the thickness of that? It's 1/2 inch thick anyway. So 2 layers of that makes another inch, or just 1/2 inch increments. We have plenty of long bolts. We have to actually probably trim them to fit when we're done. So let's get started. Why don't we just go to a workbench? How's that? Alright, rinse and repeat 8 times. 8 times for every 1/2 inch I want to lift the cab. Perfect, even ejected. Alright, so we need 8 of these for every 1/2 inch of lift.
pull this away with the back off the piece, comes off pretty quick. So the other way it doesn't want to come off. If you grab that plastic and pull this away with the back off the piece, comes off pretty quick. So the other way it doesn't want to come off.
Eight now. Got ½ inch of lift for the whole truck. That was a quick cut. 13. I don't think we're going to have enough. Not very good tolerances, apparently. They don't stay together very good. So there you have it, folks. We've got a taller factory body mount from OBS trucks in Newer. That'll drop right on the frame and place the factory 1-inch body mounts. And then this cutting board will make ½ inch increments. I got to clean these up probably on a belt sander or something later. Might just take a flap wheel on a grinder and just clean them all up. But anyway, we still have to punch out the center hole to the size of the bolt that will go through this into the body. There we go. One large cutting board from Sam's Club made 16 of these, which if we put 2 at each body mount, will lift it an additional inch. So that gives us a full 2 inches of body lift, all without spending a whole lot of money. Because I could probably use those washers for something else or just take them back. So lesson learned on those. Just grab yourself a hole saw kit and hole saw kit and a cutting board and the OBS style body mounts. There we go. This portion of the video has no audio, but as you can see, I'm just using the drill to punch out this center hole to the diameter of the bolt that goes through the body mount.